You know, one of my favorite songs, and it's a country western song. I was, like I said, my mom loved all kinds of music. One of them was an old Hank Williams Jr. song, and she sang it like Hank Williams, so that's how I sing it. I don't know any other way to sing it, so this is for you guys. My one and only country song goes like this. And it's gonna sound a little like Hank Williams. I hope I don't take away too much from him. You're cheating hard to make you real. You cry and cry and try to sleep, but sleep won't come the whole night through. Your cheating heart will tell on you when tears look down like falling rain. You toss around and call my name. You walk the floor the way I do. Your cheating heart will tell on you. Go get 'em, Daddy. You toss around and call my name. You walk the floor the way I do. Your cheating heart will tell on you. Brother Bird, give us some slack here. Robert Fernandez. Tears come down like falling rain. You toss around and call my name. You walk the floor the way I do. Your cheating heart will tell on you. You know, I'm not going to come back for a while. I don't really know when I'm going to be back, but I just want to say thank you so much for all you folks coming by tonight. I'm going to let Patty take us out on this song.
Cheating heart.
cheated heart will tell on you. Your cheated heart will tell on you. Thank you. I have to hear that still one more time. Well, that sip of coffee is strong. It's going to keep me going for another couple hours.